Welcome to the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, the leader in the funeral stationery industry. If you've been asked to create memorial cards for a loved one, but have never designed anything before, don't worry. Memorial cards are actually one of the easiest keepsakes to make yourself, especially when you start with a professionally designed template. In today's video, we'll show you how beginners can create beautiful, meaningful memorial cards without the stress of starting from scratch. One of the biggest advantages of using a DIY memorial card template is that all of the hard work has already been done for you. The page size, photograph placement, text areas, margins, and layout have all been professionally designed. Instead of worrying about where everything should go, you simply replace the sample text with your loved one's information and insert your favorite photograph. Within minutes, you have a personalized memorial card that's ready to print. This is just the beginning of our memorial card series. Over the next several videos, I'll be showing you everything you need to know to confidently create beautiful memorial cards from start to finish. We'll cover choosing the right template, writing meaningful memorial card wording, selecting the best photographs, printing at home, assembling folded cards, avoiding common mistakes, and adding those professional finishing touches that make a lasting impression. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to create a beautiful keepsake you'll be proud to share with family and friends. So let's get started. The Funeral Program site offers one of the largest collections of downloadable memorial card templates available. Whether your loved one enjoyed flowers, nature, peaceful landscapes, patriotic themes, elegant simplicity, or faith-based artwork, there's a design to reflect their personality and life. You can choose from soft watercolor florals, scenic mountains, tranquil beaches, sunsets, crosses, praying hands, angelic imagery, contemporary designs, masculine themes, military tributes, and many more. With hundreds of professionally designed layouts available for immediate download, it's easy to find something that feels just right. Another benefit is choosing the presentation style that best fits your needs. Memorial cards are available as flat cards that are printed on both the front and back, or folded cards that provide additional space for photos, an obituary, a favorite poem, scripture, or a special message from the family. Folded memorial cards open just like a greeting card, giving you more room while still maintaining a compact keepsake that family and friends can easily carry or save in a Bible, wallet, or memory box. The standard memorial card measures 4.5 by 5.5 inches, making it the perfect size for guests to take home. Its convenient size is one of the reasons memorial cards have remained popular for generations. Unlike a full-size funeral program, which provides the complete order of service and is larger in format, a memorial card is designed as a simple keepsake. Many families choose memorial cards when they want something smaller, more affordable, and easier to distribute. Others provide both, a standard funeral program for the service and a memorial card as a lasting remembrance that guests can keep close long after the funeral has ended. Because memorial cards are compact, they are also less expensive to print at home. Multiple cards fit on a single sheet of cardstock, making them an excellent choice for families working within a budget or needing additional keepsakes for friends and extended family. Even first-time users can achieve professional-looking results by using quality cardstock, printing a test copy, trimming the cards with a paper cutter, and folding them with a scoring tool for crisp, clean edges. Another reason beginners love DIY templates is flexibility. The Funeral Program site provides memorial card templates that work with software many people already have, including Microsoft Word, Microsoft Publisher, Apple Pages, Google Docs, and convenient online editing options. That means you don't have to learn complicated graphic design software. Simply open the template, personalize it with your loved one's information, save your work, and print whenever you're ready. If you'd rather have someone else handle the design, the Funeral Program site also offers professional done-for-you design and printing services. Their experienced design team can personalize your memorial cards and prepare them for professional printing, giving families another option during an already difficult time. Whether you choose a flat memorial card or a folded design, the goal remains the same: to create a meaningful keepsake that honors a life well lived. Families often include a cherished photograph, birth and passing dates, a favorite Bible verse, poem, meaningful quote, or even a short expression of gratitude. Years later, many people still keep these small memorial cards tucked safely inside a Bible, journal, wallet, or family photo album because they become treasured reminders of someone deeply loved. If you're ready to begin, the funeral program site makes it easy with professionally designed DIY memorial card templates available for immediate download in a wide variety of beautiful themes and layouts. Be sure to view our featured memorial card products in the description below to see some of our most popular designs and find one that's perfect for your loved one's tribute. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may be planning a memorial service. Thank you for watching the Funeral Channel Network, brought to you by the Funeral Program site, where we're honored to help families create meaningful tributes that celebrate every unique life. I'm Leah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.